What if I told you that you could raise your credit score in as little as 30 to 60 days without making more money, without hiring a credit repair company, and without doing anything illegal? Your credit score affects everything: your ability to rent an apartment, buy a car, get approved for a mortgage, and even how much interest you pay over your lifetime. In this video, I'm going to break down step-by-step strategies that actually work to raise your credit score fast. These are methods used by financial experts, and yes, they're 100% legal. Make sure you watch until the end, because the last tip is one that most people completely ignore. Yet it can boost your score almost instantly. Before you can raise your credit score, you need to understand what affects it. Here's a simple breakdown. Your payment history makes up 35% of your score. Your credit utilization is 30%. The age of your credit history is 15%. Your credit mix, meaning the different types of credit you have, is 10%. And finally, new credit inquiries are the last 10%. Most people focus on the wrong things. If you want fast results, you should focus on the top two factors because they make up a massive 65% of your total score. Let's start with the biggest one. Payment history is the #1 factor affecting your credit score. Even one late payment can drop your score by 50 to 100 points. The fastest fix? Set up automatic payments for at least the minimum amount due on every single account. This is non-negotiable. Even if you're struggling financially, paying the minimum on time is far, far better than missing a payment entirely. Here's a pro tip. If you've missed a payment in the past, call your lender and ask for a goodwill adjustment. Some companies will actually remove late payments if you explain the situation politely and show a history of on-time payments afterward. It never hurts to ask. All right, next up is credit utilization. This is where people see the fastest improvement. Credit utilization is simply how much of your available credit you're using. For example, if your credit limit is $10,000 and your balance is $5,000, your utilization is 50%. Ideally, you want this number below 30%, but for the best results, aim for under 10%. Here are 3 fast ways to lower your utilization. First, pay down your balances. Even small payments can make a difference, so chip away at it whenever you can. Second, make multiple payments per month. Credit cards usually report your balance only once per billing cycle. By paying down the balance before the statement date, you lower the amount that gets reported to the credit bureaus. Third, request a credit limit increase. This doesn't mean you should spend more, it just increases your available credit, which instantly lowers your utilization percentage. Most credit card companies allow you to request an increase right online, and many will do it without a hard inquiry on your credit report. Now, for one of the most powerful and underrated strategies, become an authorized user. If someone you trust, like a parent, spouse, or a close relative, has a credit card with a long history, a low balance, and a perfect payment record, ask them to add you as an authorized user. You don't even need the physical card. Their positive credit history can appear on your credit report and boost your score quickly, sometimes within a single reporting cycle. Just be absolutely certain the account is managed responsibly. Otherwise, their mistakes could hurt your score instead of helping it. Choose your partner wisely on this one. Here is a shocking fact. A study by the FTC found that over 30% of credit reports contain errors. These errors could be dragging your score down right now without you even knowing it. You need to go to Annual Credit Report. Com and check your reports from all 3 major bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This is the official free site mandated by federal law. Look for incorrect late payments, accounts that aren't yours, wrong balances, or old negative items that should have already fallen off. If you see an error, dispute it online immediately. The credit bureaus are legally required to investigate your dispute within 30 days. Removing even one negative item can result in a noticeable score increase. This next one is simple, but crucial. Every time you apply for new credit, like a credit card or a loan, a hard inquiry appears on your report. Each inquiry can lower your score by 5 to 10 points, and multiple inquiries add up fast. If your goal is to raise your score quickly, you need to pause all unnecessary applications. Let your credit profile cool down for a few months. This alone can help your score recover naturally as those inquiries age and have less of an impact. Closing old credit cards might feel like a responsible move, but it can actually hurt your score. Why? Because older accounts increase your average credit age, and a longer credit history helps your score. Unless a card has a high annual fee that you can't get waived, it's often better to keep it open and use it occasionally for a small purchase, like a coffee or a pack of gum. Just set a reminder to use it once every few months so the issuer doesn't close the account due to inactivity. Here's a bonus tip for those of you with limited or damaged credit. Consider a credit builder loan. These loans are designed specifically to help you build or improve credit. Here's how they work. You make small monthly payments, and each on-time payment is reported to the credit bureaus. At the end of the loan term, you get the money back, minus any interest or fees. It's like a forced savings plan that also builds a positive payment history, giving you a stronger credit profile. Raising your credit score doesn't happen overnight, but if you apply these strategies consistently, you can see results faster than most people realize. Remember the key takeaways. Pay on time every time. Lower your credit utilization below 30%. Avoid unnecessary new credit applications, and monitor your credit reports regularly for errors. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and comment below with your current credit score goal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.